Allah, Allah,
Do you want to get success in your life? In this life and in the hereafter? Of course, yes. So, before the tips I want to share with you to get success in this world and the hereafter, I want to ask you a very simple question. Are you ready to give the answers? So, the very simple question is that, what is your religion? Very simple, no? Everyone knows the answer. What is your religion? Muslim? No. Oh, Islam. Islam. Our religion is Islam. But who is called Muslim? Who obey Allah and who surrender himself before Allah is called Muslim. What is Islam? Our religion. And those who follow Islam are called Muslim. Today we are going to learn the attributes of Mu'minun. Who are Mu'minun and their attributes, signs we are going to discuss. But before that, we have to hear the Quranic verses. You will know the tips to get success in this world and in the hereafter. So be very careful. Listen the Quran in its translation.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم قد أفلح المؤمنون الذين هم في صلاتهم خاشعون والذين هم عن اللغو معرضون والذين هم للزكاة فاعلون والذين هم لفروجهم حافظون إلا على أزواجهم أو ما ملكت أيمانهم فإنهم غير ملومين فمن ابتغى وراء ذلك فأولئك هم العادون والذين هم لأماناتهم وعهدهم راعون والذين هم على صلواتهم يحافظون أولئك هم الوارثون الذين يرثون الفردوس هم فيها خالدون.
Commentators of the Quran, experts of the Quran is told that this surah revealed in the end of the Makkah life of Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. And briefly, three things are mentioned in this surah. The first is true fact of a believer. Second thing is mentioned, the evidences and proof to the existence of Allah Almighty. Evidences of existence of Almighty Creator of this world. And the third topic that is discussed in this surah, that is ultimate responsibility of a man before his Creator. After this description, you are very eager to listen the translation of these verses. So let's listen the translations. See the screen and follow the translation after me. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. I seek refuge of Allah from shaitan, that is gracious one. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. In the name of Allah, most gracious, most merciful. Qad aflaha al-mu'minun. Qad, indeed. Qad aflaha al-mu'minun. Indeed, believers got success. Successful indeed are the believers. الَّذِينَ هُمْ فِي صَلَاتِهِمْ خَاشِعُونَ. Those who humble themselves in prayers during the course of salah, they are very humble. Third verse, وَالَّذِينَ هُمْ عَنِ اللَّغْوِ مُعْرِضُونَ. Those who turn away from all that are senseless. They are keeping away themselves from all the senseless things, baseless things. What's number 4? وَالَّذِينَ هُمْ لِلزَّكَاةِ فَاعِلُونَ. And those who are very active in zakah. They are very actively paying zakah. What's number 5? وَالَّذِينَ هُمْ لِفُرُوجِهِمْ حَافِظُونَ. And those who guard their chastity. Number 6. إِلَّا عَلَى أَزْوَاجِهِمْ أَوْ مَا مَلَكَتْ أَيْمَانُهُمْ فَإِنَّهُمْ غَيْرُ مَلُومِينَ. Except from their wives or what their right hand possesses, for them they are free from blame. فَمَنِ ابْتَغَى وَرَاءَ ذَلِكَ فَأُولَٰئِكَ هُمُ الْعَادُونَ. But whoever seeks beyond that, they are indeed the transgressors. Verse number 8. وَالَّذِينَ هُمْ لِعَمَانَاتِهِمْ وَعَهْدِهِمْ رَاعُونَ. Those who are truly faithful to their trusts and promises. Verse number 9. وَالَّذِينَ هُمْ عَلَى صَلَوَاتِهِمْ يُحَافِظُونَ. And those who are strictly guard their salahs. They are punctually guarding their salah. They are punctual about their all salah. Now the result is explained. The believers who will do these all things, أُولَٰئِكَ هُمُ الْوَارِثُونَ. They all are heirs. They all are inheritors. Inheritors of what? Not the property, not the wealth. الَّذِينَ يَرِثُونَ الْفِرْدَوْسَ هُمْ فِيهَا خَالِدُونَ. Who shall inherit Firdaus? This is the name of a paradise. Who will inherit? They will get entry in the Firdaus, in the paradise, and they will live therein forever. 7 attributes of a true believers are mentioned in these verses. Who are very humble in their salah, who are leaving the all senseless things, who are very punctual about paying zakah, who are keeping themselves out, who are guarding their chastity, who are active, very punctual to keep about the promises and the covenants and agreements, and who are very punctual, who are guarding on salah. These all are indeed successful. Qadr word is used in the Arabic for stress, for insisting that indeed these all are successful. So these are the tips to get the success in this world and in the hereafter. If we are true believers, if you want to be a true believers, we will do these all things. Our true belief, in fact, only requires to obey all the commandments of Allah Almighty. And our faith, our iman enhances us, that you turn away, you keep away from all the prohibitions of your Creator. What Allah Almighty prohibited, you keep away from these all things. Our iman and our faith only teaches and enhances and inspires and encourages to do these all things. In these verses, who are called, they will get success? Mu'minun. Mu'minun is the most noble name of all. Most noble of all names that are given to this all quality honored person. Who possesses these all qualities? They all are mu'minin. They all are mu'minun. They all are mu'min. They are true believer. They are perfect believer. They will inherit and they will get entry Jannatul Firdaus. And they will be inheritor of the paradise. And they will live there forever. They will not exit from the paradise. Entry and forever entry. These all verses set forth the qualities of true believer. If you want to get Jannatul Firdaus, if you want to get the title of Mu'min, if you want to get the title of true believer, and to get the success in this world, in the hereafter, that is the real success. The real success is the success of hereafter. قَدْ أَفْلَحَ مَنْ تَزَكَّى وَذَكَرَ اسْمَ رَبِّهِ فَصَلَّى بَلْ تُؤْثِرُونَ الْحَيَاةَ الدُّنْيَا وَالْآخِرَةُ خَيْرٌ وَأَبْقَى. What Allah Almighty told? Hereafter is the better and everlasting. But you people are prefer this world, the life of this world. So Allah Almighty told, the real success is the success of hereafter. So if you want to get success, forever success, everlasting success, so we have to follow these all qualities. To act upon these all qualities and to follow these all things leads to Jannatul Firdaus, leads to true faith, true Iman. May Allah bless you and me and all the Muslims to follow these all 7 qualities that are mentioned in Surah Mu'minun, and may Allah enable us to follow these all the qualities of true believers.
Now press on subscribe button to get updated with Abrar Kasbi informative videos. Press notification bell. Thanks for watching.